If you need some money during the holidays or you're looking for a new job, check out FedEx Express. The company is hiring 1,100 new employees in the Indianapolis area. 300 of the positions will be at the FedEx Express location. That's at the facility around the airport. 1,100 new jobs will be available around the Indianapolis area. That includes package handlers, drivers, and other support positions. Many of the people hired will be able to stay on with FedEx after the holidays. Starting pay in the Indianapolis area will be $12.62 an hour. Overall, FedEx expects to add more than 50,000 seasonal positions throughout its entire network. For more information on the careers, check out the hot button on the IndyChannel.com. From the West Side, Julie Persley, RTV6.